Hello, everyone. My name is Saneem. I am the graduate student assistant in the Office of Student Life and Leadership. And today we're going to be going over the new organization registration for spring 2022. So let's get started. Okay. So what you want to do in order to register your new student organization is first you want to fill out the new organization interest form. So you can actually find that on Titan Link. So if you go to this link, oh, I apologize. If you go on this link, fullerton.campuslabs.com/engage, and then scroll down to the bottom of the page to find the campus links. As you can see here, campus links is circled in red, and go all the way down to clubs and orgs, new student organization interest form, 2021 to 2022. So you want to fill that out first. Also, this URL, it is the Titan Link homepage. And so again, if you're already logged into Titan Link, just go to the Titan Link homepage, scroll down to the bottom of the page to find the campus links. So moving on to the next slide. So what do you need in order to start an organization? So what you need is essentially one president, one treasurer, one staff member or faculty advisor. Oh, I apologize. And also 3 general members. So essentially 5 members in general. Again, one president, one treasurer, and 3 general members. Also, you need to fill out the organization constitution. We do have the organization constitution listed on Titan Link, so there is a link available. And also what you need are facts and info about your new organization. So what are some privileges to being a registered organization? So some of the privileges are publicity. So you are able to have some of your things posted on Instagram from our Student Life and Leadership page. You also get funding. You also have office and locker spaces that you can reserve. You can also reserve venue with our venue reservations. And there's ASI accounting services, organizational support, leadership development, especially if you join LeadCon, as well as helping, with planning and preparation, and also program participation. So I know a lot of students, they can hear about your organization if you are on, if your event is posted on Titan Link, and that can only happen if you're a registered organization. So moving on to the next slide. So you want to remember to save the dates. So registration begins Monday, November 1st. Oh, sorry about that. We do have a registration workshop Monday, November 1st as well. We do also have registration clinics, which are virtual and occur on every Thursday from 5 to 8 p.m. There is a link available to that. And sorry, there is a link available to that on Titan Link. Also, you want to remember that new organization registration ends on Tuesday, November 30th. And LeadCon is Thursday, January 20th of 2022. Also, we also have Discoverfest going on Wednesday, February 2nd, and Thursday, February 3rd, again, 2022. Moving on to the next slide. So how to find the registration form. So once you get onto Titan Link, at the top, click on organizations. And once you're on that, once you're on that organization page, click the button all the way down where it says register an organization, and it should take you to the page on the right side. So it's going to look a little bit something like this. Again, it's going to say Titan Link at the top, and then register an organization at the top. And if you scroll all the way down, go to, register a new organization, click that blue button, and it's going to send you to the form. So moving on to the next slide. So the Titan Link registration form, what you need to complete on that, step 1 is the instructions. Also, you want to read the instructions first. Yep. And then you want to complete the organization profile, and then the organizational profile picture. Remember to upload that. Excuse me. The organization interests, and the organization categories, and then the organization roster, which is where you'll include your president, your treasurer, and your 3 general members, as we spoke about before. And then step 7, excuse me, is uploading the constitution and essentially the bylaws of your organization. And then the last step is your supplemental questions and your agreement statements. So what this also looks like is your organization nation, leadership info for verification, advisor contact info, whether or not you're part of the inter-club council, whether or not you're part of a national organization affiliation, off-campus bank account, bank information, special event information, interactions with minors. If you have non-CSU Fullerton students in your organization, student conduct agreement, grade check authorization, hazing policy agreement. Again, we are a no hazing school. Clearly Act, Title IX information, non-discrimination policy agreement, release of liability, financial agreement, as well as your your new org registration checklist. Going down. Okay, so for your registration submissions, the submitter can only, be the student serving as president of the new organization for the 2022 spring semester may submit the form. In your organizational profile, any information listed on your organization's page is accessible to the public. Oh, sorry. So you want to make sure that you don't include your personal email address or your personal phone number or your personal mailing address. So I would definitely recommend to put in a new email address for your organization. That would probably be the best way for new members or people in the public to reach you. The Constitution, you want to remember to check your form for any spelling or grammatical errors before submissions. In order to be more inclusive of the Titan community, please use gender neutral pronouns like they, them, and theirs in compliance with Executive Order 1068, and make sure all bold items in the sample constitution are included in your new organization's constitution. And as you can see here, this is the URL that you can access in order to get a copy of that sample constitution. Moving on to the next slide. So online training. So the presidents and the treasurers do need to do online training for their new organization. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to my.fullerton.edu. It's basically your student portal. And then on the left side of the homepage under default apps, you're going to want to click Canvas. Once you're on Canvas, click on 2021, 2022. It's going to look a little bit something like this, student organizations. So click on 2021 to 2022 student organization leadership online training under courses. It's going to look something like this, and complete the student organization leadership training by going over each module and completing the quizzes. You must score a 90% or higher in each module in order to pass. Moving on to the next slide. So LeadCon. LeadCon, again, is going to take place Thursday, January 20th, 2022 from 9 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. and it's going to be virtual this year. So LeadCon is our student So LeadCon is our student organization leadership conference. It's going to teach you about event planning, financial management for your organization, leadership, fundraising, recruitment and retention, and how to have effective meetings. So what is recommended is to have the presidents and the treasurers participate, but each new organization is required to send at least one of those members. So this is sorry, this is the end of our presentation today. If you do have any questions, my contact information is on Titan Link. Feel free to send me an email with any questions that you might have about your new student organizations. I'd be more than happy to help out. Thank you for joining this workshop, and I hope you all have a nice day.